Good afternoon, welcome to Mr. Yohanip Hobby. So, yan. Mr. Yohanip Hobby. So, palike and share na rin po yung ating FB page na Mr. Yohanip Hobby and Mr. Yohanip TV. Yan. So, may free stickers. So, unboxing and reviewing po tayo ng WE High Kappa 5.1 T-Rex color black. Yan, so magazine capacity 30 rounds capacity magazine High Kappa. Yan, so ito po yung unit. May magwell, non-slip grip. Yan, so yung kanyang trigger. So may railings, pwedeng lagyan ng laser or flashlight. Yan, so ito yung ambidextrous safety, left and right. Then yung kanyang pivot safety grip. Yan, so may serration, may compensator sa front and rear slide. May serration. Yan, so may marking siya na wet, and yung ating yung 0.45 ACP. Yan yung markings. Yan, so nakamagwell na din po yan. Yan po yung kanyang markings. Naka-fiber optic na po yan, front and rear sight. So gandang unit nito. Yan. So check din po natin yung kanyang FPS mamaya. So possible ito ay 340 to 360 FPS. Yan. So gandang unit ito. Yan, so may kasama siyang mount for red dots. Yan, sa ibabaw pwedeng lagyan. Yan. So threaded outer barrel yung ito. Yan. Pa ba? So yun lang. So, ito po yung unit na WE High Kappa T-Rex 5.1 color black. So meron din po tayo itong available na color silver. Yan. Thank you.